Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. I'll tell you, it's been a day. The director's been working me like a dog, and now she freaking wants tomahawks. And not only does she want tomahawks, she wants a vegetable with it. So, we're gonna give her what she wants, because that's what we do.
It's a good plan.
So, here on the vegetable. Today we're gonna make smoked Jalapeño Popper Potato Salad, because it's got vegetable in it.
Logical.
All right, so on a wire rack right here, I have 3 blocks of cream cheese. I only need a half a block for this recipe. I'm just doing some extra because it never hurts to have smoked cream cheese around, and I'm firing up the smoker. Now, that smoker is fired up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and I have an amazing smoke tube in it right now. We're not trying to cook this stuff, we're just trying to add some smoke flavor. So, 3 blocks of cream cheese, only need a half for this recipe, 2 jalapenos. Here is an entire bulb of garlic. I'm going to cut the top of that off with my badass Dow Strong knife. There's a link down below. We're going to put this on here. We're going to hit it with just a little bit of olive oil. Rub that in. And then along with that, we're going to take a onion. The recipe down below calls for 1 red onion. I have 1.5. I had a half in the fridge, so we're going to do it. So we're going to take that and quarter it. Put this on here also. We'll quarter this red onion. Now I know, you already got the feeling. Boy, he don't follow a recipe worth a damn. You know, you work with what you got. If it calls for 8 strips of bacon and you got 10 cooked, you freaking throw 10 in there, right? So, but, dear friends, as always, all the ingredients, their amounts, and directions are down below in the description section. So back to this onion. I'm going to quarter it. All right, and this whole thing is going into the smoker at 180 degrees with the smoke tube for 1 hour. Then we'll be back for the next step. We'll see you then. Alrighty, we're about 15 minutes out from that initial 1 hour smoking of the cream cheese, the onion, the jalapeno, and the garlic. So it's time to get ready for the next phase. Now, as soon as they're done, I'm going to pull them off. Then I'm going to jack that temperature up on the smoker to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, because we got to cook our taters. But to cook our taters, we got to prep our taters. So let's get this done. I'm going to take about 3 pounds of red taters here and dice them up decent size, just about bite-sized chunks. Now, keep in mind how big your wire rack is. You don't want to make them too small where they're not going to stay on your wire rack, because that's going to make life a lot easier using that wire rack. Utilizing my other Dow Strong badass knife, we're going to cut these puppies up.
What? What are you saying?
They're not puppies. They're not puppies. They're potatoes. Okay. I like to leave the skins on, make it a little more rustic. Now that we got our taters chopped, we're going to hit them with a little bit of olive oil for a little binder. Then a good healthy pinch of salt and pepper. And a couple tablespoons of ranch seasoning. And we'll get that all tossed together. So again, the plan is cream cheese, jalapenos, onion, and garlic off. Jack up the temperature to 425. Taters on. We'll leave them up to an hour. I'll check them every 15 minutes or so. Now, I know this isn't German potato salad, but we're going to use a German technique to figure out when the taters are done. We're going to jab them with the fork, and if the fork goes into them and comes right back out, then they're fork and tender.
Come again?
And they're good to go. So that's what we're looking for next before we do the next step. So we'll see you then. All right, the potatoes are on. I need to clear out some room here so I can move on with my main dish. So we're gonna put all the ingredients together except for those taters. And as soon as they're done, we'll just fold them into the mix. So first of all, our onions. We're gonna peel off the papery skin and then chop up the rest. And our smoky onions go in the bowl. Now we're going to take our smoked garlic cloves, squeeze these out of here, dice those up, chuck those in there. All right, now our jalapeños. The girls don't like hot, so we're going to cut these up and de-seed and devein them. Then we'll dice them up and they get added with the onions and the garlic. Now this is a point where you control the heat. If you want it hotter, you can use more jalapeños and do not de-seed and devein them. That'll give your salad a little fire.
Burns! It burns! Ah!
All right, with the garlic, onions, and jalapeños goes some of the smoked cream cheese, a half a steak, entire block of Trader Joe's unexpected cheddar, shredded by the director. It's got to be good.
Damn right.
About a half a cup of mayo. We love the Kewpie. Half a cup of ranch. We're using Chipotle ranch. You can use what you want. About 3 tablespoons of some apple cider vinegar. And bacon. About 8 to 27 pieces of crispy bacon diced up. All right, we'll mix all that together. When the taters are done, they go in, mixed all together. Then the director will give you, well, actually me, some judgment. She'll report to you, but she's gonna be judging me. You'll be okay. We'll see you then. All right, friends and neighbors. Well, I'll tell you, I was recording 2 episodes at the same time, and disaster struck on the other one, so that will not be filmed today, but at least this one's going well. The potatoes are done. So, next step is to move my bourbon, get our bowl close, and add our potatoes to the rest of the ingredients. There is a crispiness to them. They are done. The director tested that already. Most have made it in the bowl. Some have made it on the ground. The dog will be happy. We'll get that all mixed up. Now, hey, if you can't get enough of the Galley of the Sun, and I don't know how the hell you could, then check out our Patreon page. Check out our Facebook page. Heck, go visit our Amazon storefront. Find out what kind of things we keep in our pantry, what kind of equipment we use to film and to cook with. All right, I think that's thoroughly mixed. Now, we'll get the director in here for some judgment, but I gotta get her mic'd up first. We'll be right back. All right, here it is, the moment of judgment.
Damn, that's good.
All right, what are you getting from this?
You get the popper feel of the cream cheese. Just a hint of jalapeno to it. There's no bite. You can add a little hot sauce to it or spice it up a little bit. The smoke flavor of the potatoes. It's really good.
All right, hey, there you go. This is a fantastic side dish to serve with your awesome steaks, pork, beef. Well, steaks are beef. Lamb, chicken, llama, kangaroo, whatever you serve. So give it a try. Hey, I hope you enjoy what you saw today. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.